Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting the minimal essentials in place: JDK 11, Android Studio, and a target API level. Once done, create a new project from a basic template so you can code right away. Choose Kotlin for modern Android development or Java if you have legacy needs, and then open the SDK manager to download the required platforms and an emulator image. Make sure to create an AVD or connect a physical device so you can build and run without delay. You now tackle the complex middle work. Understand the project structure, manifests, source folders, resources, and Gradle scripts, because that knowledge speeds every change. Once comfortable, use Gradle to add libraries, migrate to Android X, and set up build variants for debug and release. Work on UI with XML or Compose and wire view models and live data for separation of concerns. Then iterate by running on both emulator and a real device to verify behavior across environments and catch edge cases. You finish by polishing, testing, and preparing a release. Profile your app to remove memory and CPU hotspots, add unit and UI tests, then create a signed release APK or AAB for distribution. Once done, prepare Play Store metadata and consider a CI pipeline to automate builds and tests. If something goes wrong, like build failures or signing errors, check Gradle console for the root error, invalidate caches and restart, and confirm the key store path and passwords. That single check resolves most release issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.